Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region so far this morning. You're going to see our winds increase this afternoon with a wind advisory likely later today, most likely after 1400 local, but not going to see any chance of precipitation or lightning today. So move into the overnight hours, we're going to see some chances of rainfall move in, and even a slight chance of a thunderstorm for the overnight hours as we'll have a cold front moving through the region, giving us some showers and a possibility to isolate a thunderstorm in the area. But overall, for the work hours today, looking good other than the winds increasing this afternoon. We'll see mild temperatures today, almost up to 60 here at Wallops. Inland locations will be in the 60s today. And we'll move into the weekend looking at warmer conditions, more spring-like. And today is the first day of spring, so ushering in some spring warmth for the weekend with temperatures possibly in the mid-70s inland across the area. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure off the coast, cold front that's going to be moving through the region from the Great Lakes later tonight. And overall, we'll just see in general fair conditions today other than the breezy conditions out of the south to southwest. And taking a look at our current surface analysis, our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies across the region with clear skies. You're going to see some mid and upper level cloudiness filtering in the region for later today. And taking a look at the HRRR model here for the next 2 days, you can see here that mid and upper low cloudiness moves in the region. Those rain showers move in the area around 9 to 10 o'clock this evening and continue through the overnight hours with periods of rain showers and also a possibility of a thunderstorm. You can see here the HRRR does have some higher derived reflectivities off to our north and west and sliding down towards the area during the overnight hours, so can't rule out a thunderstorm embedded in these showers overnight. And then looking into our Saturday, should be a nice day across the region. We'll start the day out with some north-northwesterly winds throughout the morning into the early afternoon. Then they'll switch onshore during the afternoon hours, and that'll allow for those coastal sections, including Wallops, to cool down quite quickly during the afternoon after we see the 60s during the early portion of the day. And then to our Saturday evening into Sunday morning, we'll see, in general, just some upper-level cloudiness across the region. Sunday is going to be a mild day to warm day across the region with a cold front approaching on Monday. And taking a look at the GFS model here, you can see Saturday, a nice pleasant day across the region. Sunday, another pleasant day. We'll see some compressional heating out front of this cold front going to move through on Monday, and that'll allow for inland locations to see temperatures in the mid-70s, possibly some upper 70s. So some warm conditions along the coastline here at Wallops. We'll see that southerly to southwesterly flow. That'll cap our temperatures in the upper 60s to possibly lower 70s, but most likely with those ocean waters still in the upper 30s to lower 40s, we'll see those temperatures remaining in the 60s here at Wallops. And then moving into our Monday, we'll see a warm morning across the region before this cold front moves through. And once it does move south of the region, we'll see some cold air advection and some cooler conditions for Monday afternoon. Into Tuesday, we'll see in general high pressure over the area, a cold start to Tuesday, but in general pleasant conditions. And we'll see some temperatures below normal for Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll see a moderating air mass as this high moves off the coast. Large warm front starts to move towards the region, or a frontal boundary starts to move towards the region for our Tuesday to Wednesday. Not going to really see much precipitation here at Wallops with this system, but looks like could be seeing some showers moving through on Thursday. And you can see here some warmer air across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley starting to move towards the region, possibly for later next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see green chart as far as the precipitation and lightning goes for the work hours today. Once we move into the late evening and the overnight hours, we'll see those rain showers become likely, chance of an isolated thunderstorm. Winds will be gusting over 25 knots from the afternoon hours through the early overnight hours. So it looks like we'll have a good chance of a wind advisory during the overnight hours. Our high today around 58, low tonight of 49, and we'll see a mild start to our Saturday at 52 degrees with skies clearing and westerly winds of 5-10 knots. Our terminal forecast should see VFR conditions throughout the next 24 hours, other than if we do have those showers overhead, as well as some lower visibilities with the rain showers in the region. Our tides are normal. Looking at Saturday and Sunday, we'll see green charts in general with only yellow for our winds on Sunday. Saturday, partly cloudy and slightly breezy early with some northerly to northwesterly flow. Then we'll turn more northeasterly in the afternoon. That'll bring in some cooler conditions. We'll see a high here, Wallops 66 degrees. Saturday night, partly cloudy with light onshore flow. Very slight chance of low clouds overnight, a low of 44. And for Sunday, partly cloudy, slightly breezy and warm, high 69 degrees. Next 7 days, we'll see those likely chances of rainfall tonight. And then we'll see those mild conditions for the weekend in the 60s to upper 60s, mid 60s, upper 60s, excuse me. Monday we'll see an early morning high of 65, and temperatures falling into the 50s and 40s during the afternoon, so much cooler late afternoon on Monday. 20% chance of a shower moving through. Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see that cooler conditions on Tuesday below average, and then back to our seasonal averages and breezy on Wednesday with a high of 57 degrees. Keeping the forecast dry for Wednesday, could see a brief shower or sprinkle, and Thursday, only a 20% chance of a shower moving through right now, seeing how that system forms with that warm front moving through, as well as that possibility of seeing some warmer temperatures for Thursday. Right now, high of 62 degrees, but if that warm front's able to move through a little quicker, could be seeing some temperatures in the mid-60s for our Thursday of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.